Hi there, I'm Irk, and this is my channel Get Irked, where I try to teach people how to invest for the long term. I know I say that at the beginning of every single one of my videos, but what exactly does it mean to invest for the long term? If you're like me, you have a full-time job, so a lot of the stock YouTubers that you see that are advertising day trading strategies or high-risk plays can't fit into your workday. Additionally, most of those YouTubers aren't even making money by trading. They're making money by selling you on VIP groups, some of which can cost in excess of $600 to $1,000 per month. I started trading in 1998 and blew up my account in the dot-com bust. After a couple of years, I decided to get back in 2006, just in time for the great financial crisis. In 2011, I realized that trading wasn't going to work for me, but I wanted to come up with a strategy for investing that could beat the S&P 500 for the long term. Over the past 10 years, I've dedicated myself to developing techniques, strategies, and disciplines that I use to consistently beat the stock market. Since 2018, when I started GetIrked.com, my free website where you can follow my moves for free, I'm up 97%. Over that same period of time, the S&P 500, the benchmark that I compare myself against, is only up 55%. That means my portfolio gave a return of more than 42% over 3 years compared to just investing in the S&P 500. Naturally, as I said earlier, I'm not a professional advisor and I'm not a professional investor. This is something I dedicate a lot of time to, but I wanted to give back to the community by showing others my techniques so that you might use them on your own portfolio. Of course, you'll want to meet with a financial advisor to make sure my techniques and strategies work with your time horizon and what your goals are for retirement. Unlike all the other YouTubers with their VIP memberships that cost money, I do have a membership on my website, but it's 100% free. The only reason you need to sign up is I need you to agree that I am not a professional financial advisor. But once you do, you can follow along with my moves in my speculation in play portfolio, my investments in play portfolio, and you can see my stock shopping list, which I update almost daily. So you might be asking yourself, why am I doing this all for free? Well, in the long term, I'd really love it if the channel got big enough that I could monetize it and not have to work my other job. But in the meantime, I really wanted to give back by teaching others how to invest. Long-term investing is about picking the stocks of high-quality companies and holding on to them for a long period of time. It's not about trading, and it's not about fads or meme stocks. There are ways that you can do this where you can really beat the market and at the same time practice risk management, meaning that you'll lose less money because you're not going to take as risky ventures. All that being said, speculation is still a big part of investing, and even in my investments in play portfolio, which would be considered the most conservative portfolio, I still have a lot of plays that are really high growth and exciting to follow. In addition to those two portfolios, I also have a new one that I added last May called the Pandemic Portfolio, which was suitable for this time. I wanted to start a portfolio from scratch so people could see what it takes to build a portfolio over time. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll see lots of different videos about different techniques like buying in stages, selling in stages, comparing different kinds of assets like Bitcoin and gold. I actually trade and invest in Bitcoin, so I have videos that address how to do that safely. I'll release videos identifying different kinds of stocks and different kinds of portfolios and trends that I think might be good for the long term. But I also encourage you to comment on my videos. I read every single comment, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or something you'd like to see me make a video about, please leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and visit GetIrked.com so you can follow along for free. I'll see you in the next video.